Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the 4moms Mamaroo bouncer. The first item you will need is the base. Second, you will need the power cable and the aux cord. Then the two side frames, the bouncer rod, the white attachment, the toy assembly, the toy balls, the bouncer cover. The first step is to pull this lever here at the back of the base. Then you take the bouncer rod and you insert it into the base. Then you push the lever back down to lock the rod to the base. Next, add the white attachment to the end of the rod. Now we connect the two side frames to the base rod. Just insert the ends to the sides of the base rod. If you're finding this video useful so far, please smash the like button to help it get more views. Now we add the cover to the whole frame. You press the buttons on at the bottom of the cover and the top. Then you zip the sides up. Then you take the buckles that are hanging on the base rod and you pull them through the holes on the cover. Next, we install the toy assembly by inserting the bottom into the hole at the top of the bouncer in a 90-degree angle. Then turn the assembly to the front of the bouncer, add the toy balls to the assembly, and spin. And that is how you assemble the 4moms Mamaroo bouncer. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting subscribe, hitting like, and leaving a comment down below letting me know. That's all for today. Thank you so much for assembling with me. God bless and see you in the next video.